classes, but I need them for today's video. I am going to be doing my hair. We're doing Marley twist. Before we jump into the video, if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that when I do post, you will be able to see it. So today, like I said, I am braiding my hair. I feel like you guys like the hair videos better than the makeup videos, so I'm bringing you guys another video. So I'm going to be doing Marley twist. The hair that I am going to be using is the Shake and Go equal Cuban twist Marley hair. I have 12 inches and the color that I have is 1B. I just wanted to do something to my hair, like something quick and easy, and I figured that this is such an easy style to do. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I just know that I wanted something short, like bobbish, and then yeah. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so here are all the things that we are going to need for these braids. You're going to need a comb, okay? We need a comb because without a comb, we cannot part our hair. You're going to need a brush to brush the hair together because the parts are big. You're going to need something to kind of mold the hair together. And then this is the gel that I am using. This is the BTL braiding gel. I think I'm using extra strength. And then, of course, you need your hair. Without the hair, we will have no braids. So I had 8 packs of hair in total. I was trying to do the rubber band method, so I went ahead and got some rubber band. Of course, add oil to the rubber band. So yeah, let's get started. So I went ahead and I used the gem. I placed it on this thing that they sent me, which I think is really cool. I'm going to go ahead and part my hair. I have no idea what the parts look like in the back, y'all. Like, I just be parting at this point. Once I section the hair, I go ahead and I add my gel to, you know, make it look nice. Honestly, the gel though, so they sent me 2 different ones. They sent me the medium strength, I think. No, so there's a 6 and a 5, 4, whatever. They sent me the 6 and the 5. I used the 6 in the back and I really didn't like it because it gives this white cast thing if you use too much. So I went ahead and I used the 5 in the front, which I actually really liked because it had like a little shine to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and section my whole hair. Okay guys, so usually when I am doing my braids, I use the little clips to hold the hair, you know, because I usually go ahead and I part before I braid. I wanted to try this rubber band method that I saw for twist, so that's why I went ahead and I used the rubber bands. The rubber bands honestly started popping. Not only that, I just felt like I was having a hard time, like just twisting, actually no, a hard time getting the hair in there because the braids I was doing were so big. So I ended up not using the rubber band for majority of the braids. I just went ahead and twisted it like I would, you know, twist naturally, and then in the middle where I couldn't reach, I used the rubber band. Okay, so we are done with the back. The parts are really big. I could have made, oh my god, was that gray hair? Oh, okay, sorry. So the parts are done in the back. I am gonna go ahead and part the front. Listen, I've been wanting gray hair for like forever. My whole family has it. My mom started getting it at a young age. My auntie Stacy has it. Like, she got it at a young age. So, you know, wow, that was gray hair. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and section the front. I made the parts in the front a little smaller just because I wanted my front to look a little fuller. And you know, when I put it in the back, I kind of wanted it to cover the spaces, some of the spaces in the back. So the front sections are a little bit smaller. All in total, I had 30 braids, all in total. Oh my god, I have gray hair. Okay. Okay guys, so that is it. I am done sectioning the whole thing. I'm gonna go ahead and hold each section up, and to be honest, even though I ended up not doing the rubber band method for the whole thing, this really came in handy when it came to parting the hair. So originally guys, this is what I was trying to do. This is the technique that I saw that I wanted to try. You basically go ahead and you crochet the Marley hair into your hair from each side, so from the top and then from the side, and then apparently when you twist it, you don't see the rubber band, which works because you guys can see it from the braid that is already completed. However, because my twists were really big, it was really painful to do. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, and the rubber bands kept on popping. So even though this is not the method I did, I'm going to show you guys this one just in case you want to try it, because just because it didn't work for me does not mean it's not going to work for you. So basically this is how it is done. It's not hard. I think it's actually very easy, and it's very much beginner friendly for people who are not good with starting their twist from the root as twist instead of braids. Also, I know this video is pretty fast, but I think YouTube has this thing where you can slow it down while you're watching if you feel like it's moving too fast. Also, I went ahead and I combed the ends so that the braids can look neat at the end. Okay, so I am going to show you guys how I do my twist starting from I'm going to show you guys how I do my twist when I started off as twist from the root. I just twist one side and then just cross the other side over like so, and that is it. It's not hard. It's very easy for me. I shouldn't say it's easy because it won't be easy for everybody. It's not going to be too tight for me. When I do it this way, it's not really tight. Like when I'm doing it for somebody else, or when I used to do it at the shop, we had to twist each part to the opposite side, and you know, it ends up hurting your client because that's a lot of tension that it puts on the hair. But when I do it this way, where I just twist one side and cross it over, it's not as tight as it would be if I was to twist each side the opposite direction. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you guys, and it's in slow motion so that you guys can see exactly what I am doing. So twist one side, and then once you feel like it's twisted and you can feel like your actual hair is twisted, you just go ahead and you bring the other side in and twist it over, I guess. Bring it over, twist it over. I don't know, but I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. There you go. You twist it over once you've twisted one side. My God, that's a lot of... I'm really bad at giving directions. So I really hope that these videos are helpful. I'm going to go ahead and zoom it in so that you guys can see exactly what I did. Okay, so we're gonna do it again. Split my actual hair into two, and then you place the Marley hair in between. You twist one side, twist until you feel like it's tight enough for you, and then you go ahead. I had to twist that side too because that part was actually really huge, and then you just bring it over, and that's it. See, that part was humongous. But that's it. It's very simple, y'all. I'm telling you, it's not... Once you do it a couple times, it gets really easy. I'm just filling it to make sure that it is as tight as I want it, and then that's it. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the back. I was actually doing worship while braiding my hair, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the front, and we're gonna braid that side. Honestly, the front was a little bit easier because it's the front and my hands are right there. versus the back, whereby I have to like move my hands this way and that way. But these braids look really, really good, y'all. Like, I did that. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the front, how it is done. Again, placing the Marley hair in the middle, splitting my hair into two, placing the Marley hair in the middle, twisting one side and then flipping the other side over, and then just go ahead and twist. It's very simple, y'all. I'm telling you, after you practice for a little bit, it's like as simple as ABC. Okay, simple as cocoa. Cocoa means cocoa, if you don't know what it means. Okay, so we're gonna slow it down one more time for the front. You take your hair, you split it into two, you put the Marley hair in the middle, you twist it on one side until you feel like it is tight enough for you. You grab the other side and then you just twist it over, and then that's it. You go ahead and you keep twisting. Very, very, very simple. I need to stop saying that, because just because it's simple for me don't mean it's going to be simple for everybody else. So I'm sorry, guys. I need to stop saying that. But yeah, you just go ahead and you keep twisting. And that is it. We are all done. This is actually short. I know I said I wanted it short, but then when I was done, I was like, this is too short. So I went ahead and like added extra hair to the ends to make it longer. Okay, guys, so this is it. I am completely done. I'm about to go ahead and dip these in water. So originally the hair was originally the hair was 12 inches, but it was too short for me when I was done. So I went ahead and added the extra hair that was left. I attached it to the end of the 12 inches to make it longer. I hope what I am saying is making sense. Right now it's like almost 12 a.m. and I am tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip these in water. The water is actually boiling right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip it. I can do that on camera. Yo, I am so tired. My lips are like dry. My face is ashy. I'm just done for the day. Okay, so we are dipping the ends, and honestly, if you have help, please utilize the help. If you have somebody there to help you do this, please go ahead and do it. Do not do it on your own. If you feel like you cannot do it on your own, this is hot water. If you spill it on yourself, it's not going to be fun. I've been doing this for very, very long, so I would like to say I'm a professional at it, but please get help if you need the help. Also, what you can also do is wrap another towel around your shoulders. That help. Again, I am breaking all the rules. I didn't do any of that. It was 12 a.m. okay, almost 12 a.m. I was over it, and I knew what I was doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, please get the help. And also wrap something around your neck so that, you know, the steam and stuff doesn't burn you, and even if the water drips on you, it will be dripping on the towel and not you per se. Okay, guys, so that is it. I'm completely done. The ends of these braids are dipped. I love it. It's chunky, it's fluffy, it's big. This is me. I like big hair. I don't like when my hair feels small, because going over everything that I did, I had 8 packs of hair in total. However, I only used 5 to do the roots, and then the remaining 3 that was left, or 5.5 to do the roots, and then the remaining 3 that was left I used to attach to the ends to make the braids longer. So if you want it this long, I guess you could go for the 24 inches. The 18 inches I think is a little, sorry, the 16 inches I think is a little shorter than this, but then the 24 inches I feel like it's a little longer than this. So that's just something that you have to decide. They do feel a little stiff right now because they are fresh braids, but once it cools down and everything, I will be able to, oh, wow, I will be able to move it around. But right now it hurts, you know, they really hurt. So this is a really good protective style for all my natural hair girls. I'm probably gonna keep this in for like 2 weeks max, maybe 3 weeks if I'm feeling lazy to take them out. But this is not going to be in my hair for a very long time. My lips are so dry. Wow. So right now it's like, it's 11:35, almost 12 a.m. I am done for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up, take a shower and all that, and then call it a day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And yeah, and also everything that I use will be in the description box below. Deuces. Bye.